Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. Peggy-Jean here and Andy behind the camera.
I'm the guy behind the camera.
Today, what are we doing? It's a quick video. Andy has a recipe coming up later in the week that requires a balsamic vinegar reduction. I'm running out. I'm running low. I love this stuff. It goes with, from breakfast time, it goes with your eggs, it goes with salad. Drizzled over top of a salad. You've got to have tried it sometime. It's amazing. For most of you who know about the balsamic reduction, this is going to be just like a, hey, visit, just come on in, sit down. For those of you who don't know how to make it, are you in for a treat? So, grab yourself a really nice balsamic vinegar. I say that, and I buy compliments.
A real good one.
I can't live without, outside of my means. If you get a really good balsamic, this takes like seriously seconds. If you get a cheap one, it's going to take a little longer because there's water. It's been diluted, right? But this doesn't take long at all. So we're gonna cook dangerously today, guys. No measuring cup, bottle to pot. Okay. How much do you want? Well, I like to reduce it by half. So whatever I'm putting in here, I know I'm gonna get half that. I think that's enough for me for your recipe, right?
Yep.
And to top mine up.
Yep.
So how much should I use? Not quite half a bottle. Put the fire on.
Fire, I bid you to burn.
Man loves fire. And I'm just going to let that go. That's it. There's no other ingredient. Now, they say there's different ways you can do it. There's different flavors you can add. If you enjoy the flavor of molasses and you think that would be a nice addition, you can more than welcome to put a tablespoon of brown sugar in there. It does help reduce quicker, especially if it's a cheaper balsamic, but seriously, 15 minutes out of your life tops, even if it is the
It would
cheapest.
probably go faster with a man tool instead of that thing.
And yet we will never know. This is for your recipe and I'm making it. What did we have last night? Oh, we made
salad.
No, that was the night before.
Oh,
I made hot roast beef sandwiches, but instead of the bun or the bread, we did it on Yorkshire pudding.
Oh yeah, that was good.
And I took my fork and that's what I use. I just use a fork and pull it out and drizzle over the top. Oh my, that was awesome. So I'm just going to let this go until we get a nice boil going and it starts reducing. And I'll bring you back for that. Alright, so I've got the heat down to a number 3. I'm using propane. You can see
accessories.
You can see the bubbles in here on this side of the pot really well.
I can see it, yeah.
Doesn't it smell
Yeah.
good? Oh, look at that. So you stay with it. This isn't something you're going to walk away from, guys. And it doesn't take long. It does if you're watching it boil, because, watching water boil, how that works.
It's like paint drying.
Waiting for paint to dry.
Yeah.
Okay, bring you back when we're almost there. Okay, it's not ready yet, but I forgot to tell you about the spoon trick. So we're going to keep doing this until we can see on the back of the spoon, like, it's not far. It'll sheet from the back of the spoon when it's done, okay? So it gives you an indication, just in case. I go by look now, but I've made it so many times. So this way you get an idea, because don't forget it thickens as it cools, and it stays in the fridge good for like a month. But believe me, I made this, this batch about a week ago,
yeah.
And that's all I have left. And it's just me using it. Andy's not that big on it, but
Oh, I like it, but I just gotta have the right food to put it on.
Yeah, I'm hooked. I'll eat it on everything. I just love it. So, again, when it's ready to sheet, I'll show you. Okay, it happens fast. So have a look inside here. I'm going to say finished. Not only have we gone down half in volume, notice it bubbles up as we stir, but
Yes, I did notice that.
look at there.
Oh yeah, it's sticking to the spoon. Yep.
Now, oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh, God. Oh, the vinegar fumes.
No kidding.
Oh my God.
Well, that's done? Yeah.
That's done. So,
Okay, cool.
before I stick this into a jar, I'm going to let it cool just a little bit. And when I come back, I'll have it in a new jar. I'll use this one up in the next few days. And this will be ready for Andy's recipe and my pleasure. Balsamic Reduction, guys. It's, you gotta try it. It is amazing. You
And
will
good for
reach
you.
for it constantly for any food.
And it's very good for you.
Best salad dressing going. You can see it's still liquidy, it's still watery, but it's not going to be for long, guys. As soon as that cools, it'll thicken up some. I'll show you when it's in the jar. So you want to pimp up a meal really quickly for a roast, your salads. Oh man. Like I said, I'll put it over top of scrambled eggs. I just take a fork, dip in here. You can see how much thicker that is after it's cooled and how it's sticking to the spoon. And now it's going to stick to my tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, that is the best flavor in the world. And you just need drizzles, you know? So here it is, hot, thin, and that'll be just exactly the same as this once it's cooled in the fridge.
That'll be nice.
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy it. I can feel the kick on my
I know.
tongue. I love it.
Like biting into a lemon.
If you haven't tried it, what's it hurting to add? You know, just what's it hurt? Try it. Just give it a taste. It will pimp up every meal you can think of. It's amazing. Hope you try it. Just remember to pick it up. This is the cheap stuff. And it is so good. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to ring the bell and
Ding,
hear
ding, 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 ding.
that ding, ding, ding from Andy. Please remember to subscribe and share. It helps us so much. It helps us to grow when you share. And we'll see you next video. Thank you for spending time with us.